it's frustrating to me as a VC that, a lot of the companies I see out there are focused much more on this target-driven biology thing, rather than actually saying, you know what, that's all fine and well, that there's 20 companies that are just solving that problem. What we really need to solve is, when they solve that and they have a product, how do we scale that, manufacture it, get it to the people that need it the most? And what most meaningfully, being able to come up with a logistics system to actually personalize all of this, while we do not currently have an allogeneic or universally applicable strategy, and that for me is the thing that keeps me up at night the most when I think about a stem cell company is, how do we actually say, this isn't just going to be something which we sell to pharma for the target biology and the disease biology and let them deal with all of the problems. Yeah. I really care about the impact of these therapies, and to have impact, that means getting these therapies to patients in the most viable way possible. It's maybe part of that is the manufacturing side, maybe part of that is the logistics side of collecting patient-specific cells and getting them to the right place. But those problems are actually the real problems that everyone's going to face long term, because we can have a phase 3 study, we can have approved products and everything, but without a scalable infrastructure to get it to people and to get the costs down, it doesn't matter. We haven't achieved anything.
Yeah, the democratization part, I think, is very important. That's actually one of the things we are very focused on in TreeFrog. And I think there's been this sense in the field that, as we say in French, l'intendance suivra, meaning the logistics will happen. And that's not something that, it's not that easy.
It's very laissez-faire, right? Which is not how we should be in this, given that we are so intense for every other part of it. It's, I'm with you.